Namaste students. I am JVN Dr. Aziz Mohammed Khan from Department of Food and Biotechnology, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today I am going to discuss about the topic Dalbecos buffer salt solution preparation. So what are the buffer salt solution? In the animal biotechnology lab, we prepare some nutrient media for the growth of animal cell and these animal culture media are natural sources such as they are animal cells, serum, blood samples, albumins. So these are the natural media which are essential in the growth for the cellular growth of the animal cell, but this is not enough for the growth of animal cell. So for the some other reasons and for the growth of animal cells, we need to add some salts so that the balance salt solution balance should be maintained in the animal cells. So we need to add some salt solution so that the requirement of the salts is fulfilled for the animal cell. So we need to add some balanced salt solution because these are not the media, they are not the nutrient media, but they are only providing the salt so that the salts in the animal cell can be maintained. So only the reason is that we are adding the balanced salt solution so that the salts of the animal cell should be maintained and their osmotic balance should be balanced. So the first salt solution was described by the Sidney Ringer, and the first salt solution to be developed was thyroid meat solution. Okay, so it is clear that balanced salt solution do not have any nutrient capacity. It is only have some salt solution. Okay, some salts are added to the balanced salt solution. So what is the function? It is used in the maintain of medium physiological pH range. It maintains the pH of the media. Okay, and it maintains the intracellular and extracellular osmotic balance of the cells. It is used in the used for the modified with a carbohydrate such as glucose. Okay, it is added in combination with the some carbohydrate also. So it is a very big source. These salt solutions are very big source. So in this video we are going to discuss about the Dalbecos salt solution. We need to prepare Dalbecos salt solution, and it is what developed by Dalbecos. So it is named as a Dalbecos salt solution. So what are the requirement? We need hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide. And what are the ingredients of the vessel salt solution? The liquid buffer salt solution contains calcium chloride, disodium hydrogen phosphate, magnesium chloride. These all are the salts. That's why we call it vessel salt solution. Potassium chloride, potassium phosphate, and monobasic sodium chloride. So these are all are the salts and which have the for example, we add the calcium chloride in 133 mg in 1 liter. So this is the composition. So what is the procedure? First, we weigh out all these salts and add these compositions into 900 ml tissue grade water. That is a different water which is essential for the animal biotechnology. Only we need to supply this tissue culture grade water because it is sterile. It is very sterile and it will not cause any contamination. And after that we do not heat the water because after, while heating it may lose its capacity for the salting. After that, we need to lower the pH to 3 with HCl. 900 ml is added with the inorganic salts, and we adjust the pH to 3. And once the powder is completely dissolved, then we adjust the pH to 0.2 to 0.3 pH. Okay, we can use the NaOH solution. Okay, 0.2 to 3 pH unit is adjusted before the final pH. Means the final pH is 7 to 6.0. So we need to adjust the pH of the media to 6.7.02 to 7.58. 57. So it will be maintained at the 7.02 to 7.57. Must be approximately 7.57. So after adjusting the pH, make the final volume to 1000 ml using the tissue grade water, and we sterile the media using some sterile membrane. Why do not autoclave the media? Because after autoclaving, the media will lose its capacity for the animal's growth. Okay, so we do not autoclave it. We pass it through the sterile membrane of the porosity of 0.22 micron, and it will remove all the microbes. Okay, only our salt solution will be passed through it. After that, we add desired amount of sterile solution into sterile containers, and then we can adjust the pH and temperature, and we can supply it for the nutrient media. So that's it. And these are the uh, most of the important characteristics of the media which need to be maintained, such as pH, osmolality. Uh, so these must be maintained, and we store the media at required temperature, at lower temperature, so that we can use in proper way. And the expiry date of the basal salt solution should be checked, because if we prepare the basal salt solution, it must be used before expiry. So our lecture is over here. Thank you very much.